cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon yeast. Mix well. Two tablespoon cooking oil. 1 cup water. Add gradually. One teaspoon cooking oil. Apply cooking oil. Rest for 2 to 3 hours. 300-gram boneless chicken cut in small pieces. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Mix well. Rest for 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Add marinated chicken. Cook on low flame. Cover and cook on low flame for 8 minutes. Cook on medium flame until water dries out. A 1/2 teaspoon cooking oil. Grease the pan. Add pizza sauce. Add mozzarella cheese. Add prepared chicken. Add onion. Add capsicum. Add tomatoes. Add cheddar cheese.